Marhaba, assalamualaikum. So, welcome to my channel, guys. And to this video, guys, this is another Arabic tutorial. So, if you want to learn a basic language in Arabic, guys, so please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para magiging updated ka sa mga coming videos natin in the future. And don't forget to like and share my videos if you like it. So, without further ado, guys, let's begin. Ayan. Ito po yung request po ni shoutout nga pala kay GC Joy. So, mayroong tatlong questions si Sis GC Joy na gusto niya matutunan in Arabic. So, una is, what is your name? Ayan. What is your name? So, una nating talakayin is yung what. Yung word na what in Arabic, that is or shoo. Bas, gagamitin natin na word is shoo for a proper sentence in Arabic. So, what, shoo, and name, ism. Name in Arabic is ism. So, if you say my name or ana ismi. So, ganyan siya. What is your name? And then, shoo, ismak. If you are talking to a male person, ismak. You are asking to a male person. And you will say it, Shoo, ismik. If you are asking a female person, if you are asking what is your name to a female, you will say it, Shoo, ismik. And then, sasagutin natin, ganito yung sagot. And, Ana, or my name, Ana is me, Ellen Grace. So, Ana is me, Ellen Grace. So, ganyan siya. And then, is me, Ellen Grace. So, but we will make it a proper sentence. It will become Ana is me, Ellen Grace. Okay, so I hope you learn. And then the second question, na where are you going? Where are you going in Arabic is win ro inti. Inti, if you are asking to a male person. And inta, if you are asking to a female person. So, win ro inti, if you are talking to a male person. Windro inta, if you are asking to a female person. So, tamam, gets new, guys. And then the third question is, where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live is, in Arabic is minwin inti, or minwin inta. So, ayan. Minwin inti, if you are asking to a male person. Minwin inta, if you are asking to a female person. Yan po. And then, kung gusto mo sasagutin, guys, and then, if you are from Philippines, so, anamin, ang sagot dyan is, ganito siya. You will answer it, anamin Pilibin. So, anamin Pilibin. Anamin Pilibin. I am from Philippines, or I am from Philippines. Anamin Pilibin. Anamin Pilibin. So, in, guys, Pilibin, that is your country. Your country. And then, Ana Pilipinia, that is my nationality. So, if Pilipinia, Ana Pilipinia, I am Filipino, Ana Pilipinia. So, ganyan siya, guys. So, I hope, guys, mayroon kayong natutunan sa video na to. I hope you will learn something, guys. And if you want to learn more, guys, just comment down below guys, and re-respetuhin po natin ang lahat ng komento ninyo at gagawan po natin ng vlog. So thank you so much for watching guys. May God bless us all. Keep safe everyone. God bless. Bye bye.